Hi, I'm Jeanette with Me Time. Today I'm here to show you a few tips about applique glitter. So I have with me the roof of the doghouse. I'm going to show you how we trim this, but first I want to talk to you about the applique glitter. It comes with a protective film on the front, so it's really important. So you just peel that film right off of the glitter and you can just throw that clear spot away. And so this is ready to use in the hoop. So you stitch your placement line just like any regular applique. You're placing this in the hoop and you're stitching the tack down line, which is what I have in the hoop right now. And so I have just a pair of the little snip scissors and we're going to use that to trim. So you just want to hold up the edge and I'm just coming right here on the edge of this glitter. You can see it just trims, leaves a super nice straight edge. I like to use the same on long straight things like that. I don't like to close my scissors and then start and close them all the way again. Let me show you on this straight edge. I like to snip part of the way and then scooch my scissors. So I snip part of the way and scooch, part of the way and then scooch all the way across, and keeping a taut pull on that just helps this line to stay one straight continuous cut rather than like a jagged edge cut. So the curves are a little bit different. Those just take a little bit more finesse. I'm going to get rid of this tail. So you can see I always want to keep lifting up. Pressure from up high helps me be able to get just down in those corners. One thing I really like about applique glitter is that it gives a really nice crisp edge, and this is not going to fray at all. And so it's a really nice material to use in a situation where you're going to have raw edge applique. So sometimes we just don't have room to keep the detail of the shape and put a cover stitch on it. So sometimes we need that glitter. So you can see I can just trim up any pokey edges if I don't like them, and that whole edge is just ready to go. So I can trim the rest of this later, but I want to tell you, after you've trimmed it, you can choose to iron it or not iron it. If you don't iron it, it will make it stay a little puffy looking. So in the case of snow on a roof, you might want to leave it puffy, but when you do iron it, you want to make sure you use a pressing cloth to protect the glitter and to protect your iron, and then you just apply even heat. And I'm just not gonna iron that spot that I haven't trimmed yet. You can iron it down and then all those edges will just stay more stuck to your project. So I hope you guys have just such a great time with your applique glitter and that snowy glittery top on the doghouse.